Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kendu Inu token. Name of the token is Kendu Inu, ticker symbol is Kendu, and this token has been doing very well, and just recently they announced that they are getting a very big central exchange listing. Probably a couple big central exchange listings are coming. We're going to go over the information on the Kendu Inu token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain, and it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called Bitmart. So on Twitter it was announced, it says here that upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list Kendu soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. And it doesn't give an exact date yet, but very soon. If you follow at Bitmart Exchange on Twitter, or if you follow the Twitter in the corner of the screen there at Kendu Inu, they're going to announce soon when that listing will be. So one way to get this token would be to download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Kendu, and then simply just buy the token. So you'll have to wait obviously till it gets listed on Bitmart to get it that way. But in the meantime, if you wanted to get it before it gets listed on Bitmart, or maybe Bitmart is not available in your country, or you just don't want to use a central exchange, you can get this token off of Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet with ETH, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for this token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is kenduinu.com. Or you can find it actually right on their Twitter, right there. So at Kendu Inu on Twitter, gold verified checkmark, 764 posts. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll have a look at that in a second. It says founded by Kenzu Miyazaki and creators of Kendu Labs. They have a full link tree there on the Twitter that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. 5,831 Twitter followers, just joined in February 2024. And in the pinned tweet there, they also have the link to their Telegram and their contract address. So all the links are going to be on that Twitter right there. They also do Twitter Spaces, so you can listen to some of those. And then, yeah, so it says, uniting the 6 native Japanese dog breeds, Kendu is the keeper of peace, the preserver of life, and the protector of unity. Witness the rise of the next billion-dollar meme ecosystem, and will you join the wolf pack? So they have a link to buy, so it'll take you right to Uniswap from their webpage. It says, the master Kendu Miyazaki recalls memories of bygone days when communities flourished through the bonds of battle. Miyazaki, who grew his fortunes with Shiba Inu, had seen the rise of the different era, a time where project successes thrived on the camaraderie and shared passion. His heart yearned to fight alongside his brothers in arms and again to build a lasting legacy. With resolve, he emerged from his retreat to channel the spirit of the past bull runs with Kendu Inu, the uniter of the 6 native Japanese dog breeds. Armed with the unshakable vision, he ventured out once again into the surging markets of 2024, where souls are jaded and jeets run rampant. Undeterred, Kendu planted seeds of camaraderie, fostering organic bonds and laying the groundwork for explosive growth. With his wit and martini in hand, he inspires his army and loyalists daily to sculpt a haven where hard work births prosperity, while striking fear into the hearts of the Jeets. Witness the epic rise of Kendu Inu, the next billion-dollar meme in the ecosystem. So they have here lots of cool artwork on their webpage. You can find this token on Etherscan. It says they have 9,286 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 1 trillion tokens. Now, their Telegram you can follow at Kendu Inu. They have 5,617 subscribers on there. You can find them on Dex Tools, Dex Screener. They're actually trending number 7 right now on Dex Tools. They have $204 million market cap, $2.41 million in liquidity in Uniswap. Current supply and circulating supply of the tokens is 996.74 billion, so it's a deflationary token. And they have here a DEX score of 99 out of 99. And it says no taxes, so if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you don't have to worry about slippage. There will be gas fees though, so be aware of that. Now there's a conflict in a couple of their audits here. Go Plus Security says there's no max sell ratio, and Quick Intel Security says there is. Go Plus Security says no anti-whale, and Quick Intel Security says there is. So those are the only 2 conflicts. I don't know why those conflicts happen on there, but their liquidity is locked. So according to Dex Screener, they have 99.93% of their total liquidity locked and burned. So that's great to see. They're up 6.14% right now. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $12.8 million. They're trending number 8 on Dex Screener. This token was actually created 3 months, 20 days ago, so it's not brand new or anything like that. They got 100 out of 100 token sniffer score. And again, on Dex Screener, for some reason, there's a conflict. Quick Intel Security says no blacklisting and no whitelisting, and Go Plus Security says there is. So again, I don't know why there's audit conflicts like that, but it's kind of annoying. But yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.